Hi, I'm Panna.
Hi, I'm Lipcsi.
I'm Berci.
And we are the Teller Group. We are 10th graders from Trefort High School in Budapest, Hungary. And this is our 4th year in Trefort as classmates, but this is the first time we work together as a team. So we hope it turned out great, and we would like to present you our latest project.
Our starting point was an experiment which goal is to show the equipotential lines in a tub full of water where there is a current flowing through the water. This experiment is part of the Hungarian Matura exam, so thousands of students perform it every year. At the exam it is done by hand, therefore it is not very precise and very tedious.
So, basically we have solved the problem by moving a potentiometer along a grid with two stepper motors, and then the collected data is sent to an Excel file through an Arduino, where it is then plotted onto a graph. This experiment is much easier to perform and saves time and energy.
Our main goal with this project was to show that the experiments at the Matura exam can be automated, and we encourage every student to do so too for a modernized exam in the future.